Hey there, Trello enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to remove someone from a Trello board in 2025. Whether you're managing a team project or just tidying up your boards, knowing how to handle member access is super important. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Trello account. If you're not, head over to Trello.com and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the specific board where you want to remove a member. You can do this by clicking on the board from your dashboard or using the search bar at the top. Now, look for the board menu. It's usually represented by a little ellipsis, those three dots, in the top right corner of the board. Click on that, and from the drop-down, select Members. This will bring up a list of everyone currently on the board. Next, find the person you want to remove. Their name should be listed with options next to it. Hover over their name and click on the X, or Remove, button that appears. Trello might ask you to confirm this action to prevent any accidental removals, so go ahead and click Confirm, or Yes. And just like that, they're off the board. Trello will update in real time, so you can check the members list to make sure they're no longer there. Remember, only board administrators or owners can perform this action, so if you don't see the option, you might need to ask the board owner for help. One quick tip. Before removing someone, consider if they have any unfinished tasks. You might want to communicate first or reassign cards to avoid disrupting the workflow. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Trello tips, and let me know in the comments what other features you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.